Alright, I want to build a bulldozer.
Alright, none of that'll rust. It can stay there for tonight. I'll deal with all that cardboard tomorrow.
Alright, so roughly that size. Here somewhere. Man, it's getting crazy windy out there. Good thing I'm in my dome. Alright. These go on this side of these. And these go on this side. I need 2 small sprockets. And this needs to fit inside this thing. Oh, wait a second. This side. Ha-ha! Alright, let's grease up my rod. How can you do this in a dignified way? Alright, my weird steering design is dependent on this being okay. Oh yeah! Oh, got it. Then one of these. 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 more of those, 1 of these, and 1 of those. Cool. Oh, solid steel. There you go. Bit of extra height. There. And I don't know if one is going to be strong enough, so I think I'm going to put a second hole through this way, cut this cotter pin in half, and put, you know, half in there and half in from the other side. Well, I got mostly through one side here. It looks like it's going all right. The prettiest thing I've ever done, but I got through. These little knobs here are going to be in the way of the chain because they go right up to the edge. So I'm going to have to take the edge off all these knobs. That looks pretty good. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that came out great. Oh, holy crap! I gotta say, I was not expecting that to work so well. Alright, next is pretty easy, just another one of those. And he fits too snug to just slide on there. Oh man, no, I got it! This is one of those times when machine precision would be nice, but I just have hand tools, so I'll just have to be careful. Wow, that was way nicer than the mess I made at the other end. Alright, there's my second one of those done. That one came out better than the first one. Have I ever mentioned how much I love gears? Alright, I need to build another one of these. Okay, now that has got to be two of the coolest machine parts I've ever built. Alright, I've got my two transmissions here, and they came out great. Now I need to attach the axle for the wheel to this piece here. Angle grinder precision. I think that actually worked out alright. 4 of those should do it. 2 for 2 so far. Oh, number 3, nice. I guess I don't have anything else to do, seeing as it's pouring outside. What is this guy just doing, standing out in the rain? And I'm just gonna tap this right now to check if any problems are gonna come up. Four bolts in, I think that'll do it. I have to make 3 more of these. Alright, I'm cutting these 16 inches. Cool. Oh, that's some beautiful stuff. Oh, look at that. Nice sloppy hole. With a bit of luck, this will fit in here with some wiggle room. No, it doesn't. That's gotta be true. Oh, it's totally through. Alright, that's plenty of space. Marvelous. Alright, all 4 of those holes done. Alright, now I'm going to make these bearing blocks. Alright, there's about a dozen layers of fiberglass sandwiched between 2 tiles. These out of this as I can. Just tap it a little bit. I'll cut those out and I'll have 3 of 16. Whew, 10 more. Looking good. Alright, 16 of those suckers. Now what? yeah! I took these completely apart and dunked every piece into this here jug of oil, which was originally yellow. It's just vegetable oil. Oh yeah, dead sexy. Holy crap! It's heavy. Raise the bucket! Lower the bucket! Boy, am I gonna have to put a horn on this?
Oh, that came out so good.
Boy, I'm getting really good at cutting keyways with an angle grinder. This one's went pretty fast. I mean, I always clamp things when I'm using a drill press. Ooh, some good stuff right there. Alright, this is my weirdest chain setup. Oh, heavy duty chain. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. So this side's turning backwards right now, and that side's turning forwards. I was not sure if I could get away with crossing the chains this much, but it looks like it's totally okay. Oh, well, it's not too bad. Oh, nice work.
Just threading the hole now. Looks like I'll have to make a custom bolt for this. Maybe just grind the head round and put a slot in it and screw it in screwdriver style.
Ha! Awesome. Oh, looks about right. Alright, that's looking good. I just need to put all the chains back that I took off to get this on there. That's the steering right there. Left the driving.
Oh, there's some good looking tank armor right there.
Hey, everybody.
quite like those wheels. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. They're just leaning there. I didn't attach them. I just had to look though. Oh yeah. What do you think, Gustav? Pretty good?